Alright, what we're looking at here is my little cup reservoir of goodies. This is my supplies basically, and what I was doing was taking the Madagascar Jewel and placing them on the side so I can get them ready for a clean. I cleaned out most of the weeds on them, and I just placed them over here. As you can see, a few little babies in the bottom. I found and relocated it, break up some of the weeds out of the way, and just let them grow in with the plant. Curious what this thing's going to look like when it gets bigger. When I first started seeing it, basically that's what it looked like when they first started growing. But over time, they develop a trunk, which is like, I think it's a 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5 sided. Looks to me like that. It looks like, let me see, take a look over the side. There's about 5 sides to it. So that's the Madagascar Jewel. You get these little flowers that bloom. I'm looking to see if there's any out there blooming at all, but nothing new. I just like the unique leaves on them, as you can see how pretty they are. That's why you can tell it when a little seedling seed germinates. Just look for that little variation in the seed, and you know you got your Madagascar Jewel. So we got several of them here, and they're sitting next to my Song of India collection, which is right over there. 2 variations in the color, but this is the Madagascar Jewel. Another collection in the Dougherty Garden. Please stop, like the video. Any questions? We're all ears. Thank you. Bye bye.